guys, Ava here. Today I'll be doing the opening on series 4 pack, so let's get started. Right, I'm going to open this blister pack first. And Moshis you can collect are Rolf, Jessie, Shelly, Umpa, Fizzy, Hip Hop, Boomer, Betty, Ultra Series, Grumpy, Jidda, Paquito Tumba, Scarlett O'Hara, Zach Binsman, Pip, Bobby Sing Song, Coolio, Ruby, Leo, Shambles, Bustling, and O'Reilly, and Willie. The code card is Willie. Wait, I mean Ruby. You've got Willie. We've got Willie, number 58, and Ruby's number 62. And we've got Umpa, number 69. Right, so there's our pack for this one. Right, let's do the next one. And this is what this is what it looks like on the back. You get a free rock code.
Thanks.
Right, so here's what it looks like. And our muffins are I'm going to do the secret one till the end. And here we've got Scarlett O'Hara, number 67. We've got Ultra Rare Jessie, number 99. We've got Pip. That's what he looks like, number 9. These fall down very easily. We've got Tumba, number 66. Right, the surprise mushling is...
Open it above the table so we can see.
We got Ultra Rare Paquito, number 111. So that's our opening. Right, so that's our openings for today. And here in our collector bag, because I opened it at Entertainer, we got Ultra Rare Roxy, and I'm not sure about this one's name. Please just let me know. And we've got Zach Binsman and Dustbin Beaver, because I got two the same, and there's like this special offer thing going in Entertainer, where there's this swap that you can do with the mushrooms that you have the same of. So yeah, this is our opening for the series 4 packs. I'm not really sure when I'll be doing another video, but I'm sure I will be doing another one soon. Bye.